Good afternoon, everybody. This is Machteld. Welcome to my channel, Daily Dose of Paper. Well, today I'm going to do a flip through of this blue flip-flop journal. I actually made a video yesterday, or I tried to make a video where I did some of the last things. But then the bell rang and my brother came and it was just, I couldn't focus anymore. So I just finished it and I thought, okay, I would do the flip through today. So, well, as you see, I just opened it. This was the closure pocket with, this is like a canvas. I printed on canvas. And here's some fabric, and this is a journaling card. And I used papers from, a lot of different creators, because I tried to make a mix of all my blue papers. So Roxy Creations, Rachel, of course, Amy from Crafty Cat, Paper Cameo, Digital Collage Club, Graphics Fairy. I will link all the papers, or all the creators, Ruby and Pearl. So this is the start of the journal. This was an envelope, one of our tax agency envelopes. And oh, that's the cat scratching the cat scratcher. A journaling card with a fabric pocket. A lot of journaling cards in this book. And I somehow make more journaling cards than tags, for instance. Lovely papers. And this is just, I just clipped it, but you can clip something else. And I also made a little coin envelope here, clipped it to a page. Another beautiful journaling spot, and a little flippy, and some straw paper, of course. This was the little trifold I made. I bound it together with some, how do you call this actually? Two. I can take it apart like this. Lovely. I will put it together after I'm done. Like so. And another beautiful journaling card. Just some lovely old vintage papers. Another journaling card with I don't know what kind of blue paper that is, if it's handmade or just looks handmade. Oh yeah, this is what I made yesterday in the video that got interrupted all the time. I made a writing board. And that's what I wanted to show you, because I thought, oh, that's nice for in this journal. So I put it in the back of the first signature, and it's just where you can, put it behind something if you want to journal on it. And it will give you some stability. It's like two pieces of cardstock glued together, and I collaged some stuff on it. Okay, then we go to the second signature, and here's our lovely slide-in journaling spots. And just a little scrappy do of different things. I put a lot of stuff in this journal that you can journal with yourself, like ephemera or pieces of the paper that I used. And a lovely postcard journaling spot. And this is one of the pieces that I had that contained all the fabric samples. I have a lot of those, and I cut them up and used them, and they make lovely ephemera stuff. Another clip, little just some pieces of vintage paper and a lovely flip that you can use. Here, this little vellum bag I made, and it contains all my messages of love that I wrote for whoever gets this journal. So that's that. And then here is a little trifold journaling spot with collaged on some really old paper that has like drawings of a machine on it. This is a hand painted journaling spot, journaling card that I did with my watercolor pencils. And this is another little, oops, I clipped it so that it won't fall out. Beautiful papers. So, and then the last signature, which could also be the front. So I put a little side tuck with the journaling card and a lovely vellum pocket with another card. Same here. Yeah, I just love making these somehow. They're like little pieces of art that you put in a pocket and you can write on it. This is, how did this work? Oh yeah, this was a flip out that I made. A flip out, oh, with a side tuck. Yeah, a side tuck and a little journaling spot as well. And then in the pocket, I also hand painted some flowers on it. And see if we can get it back easily. Right, this always is a bit fiddly. Let me see. Yeah. So, like that. One of Rachel's tags in this pocket. Some of the fold-ups that I did, I closed on the side, and others I just left open so you can slide stuff in and out. This looks like a little flip. And this is a belly band with, yeah, a little folded journaling card that you can write on. And I did another sketchy painting with my watercolor pencils, and this is just a lovely flip out, and this is a flip up that I put in this fabric pocket. And then here I made another card in this corner pocket. See, so just lovely space to write, a lot of space to actually journal on. Some hand painted rose, poppy, however you want to call it, on this journaling card. And then are we back to the first? No. Oh, then this is, oh, this has 4 signatures. Sorry, yeah. So this I made also yesterday when the video wasn't working. And what I was so proud of, happy with, you know, this, okay, you can put this at the end of the page, but this was like one that you actually put around the page, and I really like that idea. And then it just slides in like that and it won't fall out. Clever idea. I like that one. Another little journaling card on embossed paper that I sprayed with some, yeah, iridescent inks. And another beautiful journaling spot with a flip out. So you see, lots of stuff to write, lots of space to write, let's say. How does this work? Yeah, oh, just like that, sorry. Okay. flip out. And then here, another beautiful card in a like a little corner tuck. And another beautiful journaling card, but with a kind of a pocket. So you can put some stuff in it as well. And then here in this vellum pocket, I put some old document, an old document. And then I made a tiny, tiny little envelope. And that also has some little things in it. So, yes, lots of surprises, let's say. Put this back, slide this back in here. And then here I made, yeah, kind of a little scrappy-doo that I folded around the page. This is also just some vintage paper and some tags, you know, that I, some other blue stuff, some handwritten paper. This is actually very special for me because it's notes from my father when he was studying. This was in yesterday my brother came by, as I said, and he brought all these old books from my dad and my mom. My mom is still alive, she's 90, but my father passed away in 2004. But they had all these, you know, they studied Latin and Greek, and I got these beautiful old books. And some of them have all these notes in them, or like written pages with notes. And yeah, I thought I would put some in it. I just love that idea, that it's, yeah, goes with all the vintage paper. So that's that, I think. I believe that was it. Yes, then we're back to the beginning. And then we can put this back on. Well, actually, because I still have to close it, put some stuff back. But what I wanted to say also is that I won't close it right now. I'm working on a sleeve, like I'll show you even, an embroidered, but I'm making this for another journal that I'm making. Let's put this aside for a minute. So, and this is going to be, you know, a closure like this and then like this for another journal that I'm making, and I will, you know, put it together like so. And oh, did you even see what I did? But anyway, I'm still working on this one. I'm planning to make one for this journal as well, with blue, you know, all kinds of blue colors. Yeah, so that's what the journal will come in. That's gonna take me a minute still. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little flip through, and I hope you like the journal. If you're interested, please let me know. Yeah, you can leave me a message, or and then I'll get back to you. And yeah, I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon with a new project. I don't know what it is yet, but we'll figure something out. So, okay, have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.